Hey guys and girls, so real quick video about mixing paint quick and easy and also thoroughly. So as you can see here, I've opened up this can of paint and all the water and potentially some oils, but I'm pretty sure it's all water because it's a latex paint, has separated from the mix. So as an option, you can always use the paint stick, and it does work, but you can see it's going to take some time, and it's probably not going to come out the best. You can see that there's some colors in there that need to get back into the can, and we need them in there to mix it properly to get it back to its proper color. So what I find is probably the best way is, this is actually a paint mixer. So what I do is I set it on to 1. So 1 is the lower setting on the drill, right? 2, I just find it goes too fast, at least to start. Okay, and you can put this in forward or reverse. It will work either way. So what we're going to do, we're just going to set you up here and we're going to start mixing. So with the drill and the mixer actually in the bucket, you can switch it to the second speed now. You can hear that sound. If you put it on full blast, it just doesn't mix properly. So about half, maybe 3/4 trigger.